Good afternoon, it's me again. Now, as my normal viewers will understand, I bought a drone recently to help me with my YouTube channel, and it was Seaflight Dream. And I've done an unboxing of that drone and the first flight. Great little drone, no problems with that, flying, whatnot, but it destroyed 4 SD cards. Every one I bought, it destroyed. It wouldn't let me download the images on. The video I done it on was a recording on the phone, so the quality was pretty poor. So I've been in touch with Amazon, who I purchased it off of, and it's been a long struggle now to get it returned because it came from China. So anyway, in the meantime, I thought I want a drone. I can't afford, obviously, one of the £1,500 just for my small YouTube channels. So again, I've done a lot of research this time, and I bought a Bugs 4W. It seems to be quite a good drone, very stable, a bit bigger than the Seaflight Dream, but and it didn't have the gimbal on it, but it came with 2 batteries, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of it. But I'm not going to do, like, you know, a massive thing. What I should do with it, I should do a quick unboxing video, take it out of the garden where I live, and hopefully do a lift up, like put down, up in the air, and a couple of things, just to sort of like show you what it's all about. Anyway, enough said, let's get on to the unboxing. Once again, it looks like it's from China. Again, made in China, as everything seems to be these days, but I suppose that's where it becomes cheaper. And once again, it seems to be coming, yep, just comes in the bag. So we'll put that to one side and bag it, and let's tilt the camera down a bit. Right, it seems to come like this. I bought it with the bag. Quite a nice. Oh, there's the book. The manual's quick start. It's the Bugs 4W, as I said, and the manual's there. Look, I've done a lot of research on this one. It seems to be, for the money, quite an impressive drone. It's a bit bigger, like I say. Obviously, with a strap for the bag. Screwdriver for the props, and this is another reason why I went for it, because it comes with, I understand it, 4 sets of props. I'll put these down there. So anyway, and obviously a cable, if I can get without breaking them. Yep, 4 sets of props, the usual battery cable, the controller, quite a sturdy piece of kit, nothing wrong with that. Nice protected part of the box. The charger, which I understand, once you plug it in, it lights up. Let's just give you a see if it does do that. Let's plug it in to your kitchen. And we'll plug it into the socket here. Yep, and you can see, obviously, the lights come on the side of it. For some reason it doesn't seem to be charging. Let's try it on the other side. Oh, that's because it's not. Oh, one second, I can see why. It's got a bit of foam in it. Yeah, there you go. It's charging. So I might as well leave that on charge. Back to me, and we get to the drone. Oh. It's brushless motors. Now I understand it's Is it from the back to the front? That's it. Back to the front. And obviously another battery which I should put on charge as well. Take the protective foam off, so it should keep. Put that in the charger, and that should charge straight after the other one. It's been charging. Well, there it is. Let's say it hasn't got a gimbal, it's got a little wobbly camera, SD card in there, and well, so far I think it's come in a nice protected case, and let's get out in the garden. And we've got the green flashing lights. Now we do I turn upright 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and we've got 1 red light front and 1 green light at the back, or yellow light, whatever. Okay, and the light's gone off there. Yep, the light's gone off there. Now apparently you're supposed to do a gyro calibration for the first time, which is straight over there. And she's there. Okay, and the take-off buttons there and land, camera buttons there, short press for pictures, 2 presses for video, auto return, speed control, and the lights underneath the drone, which are, I presume, there and there. Okay, so now I should go into the garden. Oh, firstly, I should get my phone. I should go and get my phone. Back in a second. Oh, right, we're back. Right, now I've got my phone. Go onto the Wi-Fi settings. Look for it. There it is, drone. Connect. Right, that's that done. Go to the app. Right, select the right drone, which is that one. Go on that. Go next. Go clipped. And yep, as you can see, let's bring the camera up a little bit. Here we are, and with my glasses on, you can see me in the thing. Oh look, good looking with glasses, isn't it? Anyway, right, so lift up this, poke that thing out there. Now I've got to be careful here because I keep on putting the phone in with the switch. Oops. And turning the phone off. Right, and there you go. GPR. Right, so what I'll do, I'll just say that's it. And there she goes. All right, anyway, since we've been doing this video, it started to rain, as you see in my garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the fly past until tomorrow and do it in my field down my lakes. I don't want to, it's first time flying it, I don't really want to take the chance in the rain, and it's quite blowy out there as well. So anyway, catch you down the lakes later. Thanks for watching.